Hey everybody, what's going on? Walter with Rotate and Aviate. We are just about ready to leave Chicago Midway. Brought the family up here, wife and kids. We landed in Midway, took the Orange line into the city, then stayed night at my sister's house up in Lincoln Park. It was a great time. Right now I'm just getting everything set up and ready, and hopefully after I'm done making this little video and setting everything up, we're going to fly the VFR corridor along the shoreline of the city, and then we'll head back to 16 Golf. Put some stuff together, put a couple clips together from when we were downtown and some of the things that we did. Other than that, enjoy the flight. See you on the next one.
Midway clearance, Archer 433, Mike Alpha.
Archer 433, Mike Alpha, midway clearance.
Midway clearance, Archer 433, Mike Alpha, would like VFR to the VFR clearance to the shoreline corridor.
Archer 3, Mike Alpha, what initial on-course setting to the east did you want?
Initial on-course setting will do 090. We're currently plugged at Atlantic Aviation, by the way, 3 Mike Alpha.
Archer 433, Mike Alpha, maintain VFR at or below 2000 and set the midway class Charlie. Departure frequencies with the tower 135.2, squawk 5126.
Alright, maintain VFR at or below 2000, I'll set the Charlie, tower frequency 135.20 and squawk 5126 for Archer 433 Mike Alpha.
Archer 3 Mike Alpha, readback is correct. After the shore, did you want to go northbound and southbound and then where?
Roger, we'll go northbound and then southbound, and then we'll continue VFR routes to 16 Golf at Seneca County, Ohio.
Archer 3 Mike Alpha, roger, 16 Golf, and contact ground for taxi.
Pushing the ground, thank you, clearance, have a good day. Midway ground, Archer 433, Mike Alpha is at Atlantic, ready for VFR departure.
Archer 433, Mike Alpha, midway ground, are you able to runway 4 right at Kilo intersection departure?
Kilo intersection departure when able, Archer 433, Mike Alpha. Alright, go ahead,
Do you need full wing then?
Negative, we do not need full wing.
Archer 3 Mike Alpha, runway 4 right at Kilo intersection departure, taxi via Foxtrot, Kilo.
Foxtrot to Kilo, depart at the Kilo intersection for 4 right, 3 Mike Alpha.
Archer 3 Mike Alpha, you're going out Yankee 4, which is fine. So when you go out Yankee 4, you'll just taxi straight ahead to 4 right at Kilo intersection departure.
Roger, ground, yes. Archer 433 Mike Alpha, I'm at Yankee 4, and then when I get there, I'm just going to veer to the right, you said?
Just go straight ahead. That intersection for the runway for 4 right is Kilo. Straight ahead when you come out, and you can just hold short there. Do you need to run up first?
Roger, I'll need to run up, and then I'll hold short right there at 4 right, 22 left.
Alright, change of plans then. Archer 3 Mike Alpha, let's go runway 4 left. Turn left on Yankee, and then right turn Victor. Hold short of runway 4 right to remain this frequency, and then I'll have you do the run up on the in between the runways.
Roger, Yankee to Victor, hold short of 4 right, wait for you. 3 Mike Alpha.
Ground Southwest 1054 is ready for taxi. We have November.
1054, runway 4 right, taxi via Yankee, cross runway 3 on right, runway 3 in center, and runway 3 on left. The wind 100 at 8, altimeter 3011.
Southwest 130 to push at Bravo 24.
Southwest 130 middle ground, Oscar square, push your discretion.
Our discretion is Southwest 130.
Archer 3 Mike Alpha, change to runway 4 left at Victor for departure. Cross runway 4 right there at Victor, and then do your run up on the other side, then contact tower when you're ready.
We're going to cross 04 right via Victor to 04 left, 3 Mike Alpha. Midway Tower, Archer 433 Mike Alpha is with you, holding short of 04 left, ready for VFR departure.
Number 3 Mike Alpha, runway 4 left, intersection Victor. Victor. Line up and wait for spacing.
Line up and wait for 3 Mike Alpha, 04 left.
Over 3 Mike Alpha, caution turbines depart 737 off the parallel. Turn right on course heading 090, runway 4 left, clear for takeoff.
04 left, clear for takeoff on course heading 090 for 3 Mike Alpha. Thank you, Tower.
Police got 2 departure in the rapid beach on risk remaining west of all runways and taxiways as you lift. And then over the top of midfield at or above 1,000.
Alright, green.
All courses approved. Caution,
Proceed line.
departing, landing, runway 4 left and right.
Okay, we'll be west of all runways, taxiways, and then we're going to cross over the top west to east, 1200 or above. We can do from there.
2015, contact ground.
Quarter ground, 2015.
Police Cap 2, I think you said you had Oscar tonight, then we altimeter 3011, radar contact, verify altitude.
1300, we have Oscar, and we're going to be crossing over the top.
Southwest 1043, turn right on Texas, Papa, contact ground. Sniper 3 Mike Alpha, traffic at 10 o'clock and 2.5 miles, 1,400 indicated, maneuvering, southwest.
Roger, Tower, 3 Mike Alpha has that traffic on ADSB. We'll keep an eye out for the visual. I see him. He's tugging a banner. 3 Mike Alpha.
3 Mike Alpha, roger, say intentions.
Our intentions are to fly the VFR corridor up the shoreline, northbound, and then southbound, and then departing to the east. 3 Mike Alpha.
Over 3 Mike Alpha, roger.
Police 1's got that 737 on campus business separation.
South 130, previously called traffic, has you in sight, it's no longer a factor. Left heading 250, contact Chicago departure.
Lot 250 and switching southwest 130, good day.
That used to be an airfield right there. An airport. They closed it down, I think, in 2012 or 2013. Imagine how convenient that would have been.